crews out all evening in Allendale County speaking with those impacted by today's storm. News Channel 6's Darrenisa Jefferson has the latest.
My mom called and said there was a tornado coming. And so we looked out the window and saw it coming across the field.
This is all that's left of the house Thomas Cohen has called home for more than 40 years.
Well, I grew up in this house as a young kid, so this house has been around for, what, 43 years? 43 years. And so we recently remodeled the inside and we were still doing work to the outside. So, very sentimental house, so hate to see it destroyed.
A tornado swept through Allendale, South Carolina and destroyed this home on Jackson Street. Though the damage is devastating,
I knew we was gonna get hit, but I didn't know the damage was gonna be this bad.
Thomas and his wife say they're thankful to be alive.
Grateful, just grateful that we made it out.
We made it out.
And they're also thankful for the support of the community that helped them in their time of need.
The people you see around,
Yeah, thank God for everybody
they
coming
got
out
here
to help.
very quick to to help us.
Help us got everything out of the house, and we was able to salvage a lot of stuff. So.
It seems like Tuesday, many were without power and downed power lines were seen in the area. Fallen trees and damaged structures, part of the destruction. Despite their loss, the Cohen family says they will go on.
We'll get a plan together, and we ain't gonna let this stop us from doing what we gotta do. So we're two strong individuals, so we'll bounce back.
In Allendale, Darrenisa Jefferson, WJBF, News Channel 6.